I need to hook up my trailer. Backed it up, lined it up. So, how do you connect the trailer? You've got it locked up. First thing you need to do is unlock it. Get your chains ready. Take those chains. It's normal to cross them over. Slide them on your hitch, just like that. They lock real easy. If you don't have this type of hookup, there are different kinds that you can use. Like on the end of this chain, it's got a pin through there and a Carter pin on the end. There you go. So that's an example. You could do that as well. Run the whole chain through your loop and then put a bolt through it or something. I mean, anything to hold it solid. You don't want it to come out, because in the event that your hitch fails or comes off the ball or anything crazy happens, these chains are designed to catch the trailer and keep it from passing you on the highway, for instance. So it's definitely, make sure you got your chains on there correctly. So we got it unhooked, so we're going to lower the ball, lower it onto the ball. Normally you would hook up the lights and the brakes. We'll go ahead and do it. I'm just moving it in my yard, but just for the sake of the video, I will go ahead and do it. This is a line that will pull on this small device here and lock the brakes in the event that the trailer, disconnected. Another safety measure. So after you get your chains on, lowered onto your ball, and hooked up to the trailer, probably the most important thing, well, it's all important, but you need to make sure that this is closed onto your ball. So there's two teeth underneath this thing, so it's closed, so those teeth grab underneath the ball and hold on to it. In the open position, they're back, allowing this to come off. Very important that it is in the closed position. Yours does not come with a pin. You can use a bolt that you could tighten down, or a lock. Can't go wrong with a lock. On my other trailer, that's the main way that what I put through there when I'm hauling it is just a normal lock. So that's probably the best thing if you don't have a pin, but you can use a bolt, but make sure you can tighten it down where it's not going to come loose. There you go. After you get all that hooked up, unchalk your tires, and you're good to roll.